How to remove account in Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove your Gmail account from Gmail. Now if you have logged into multiple accounts on Gmail and you want to remove one, or you want to remove account that has been logged in on Gmail, here is how you can do it. Simply scroll down the notification bar and tap on settings by tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen here, and you'll be headed into your settings. Once on settings, what you can do is you can either scroll down and search in for accounts option here. You can see Google here. You can either head into Google here. Now once here, what you want to do is tap on manage your Google account option here, and here you can see I'm here on Google account page. Now what you want to do is tap on the your email option there. You can see my email name there, Bipen Basnet, and below it you can see my email or Gmail, and if I tap on it, I'll be headed into multiple account option here. You can see I've signed into multiple accounts. What you want to do is tap on manage accounts on this device option. Simply tap on manage accounts on this device, and here you'll be able to see every account that has been logged in on your device. Simply tap on the Gmail account that you want to remove. Here I have 3 different Gmail accounts, you can see. So I'll just tap on one, and once you tap on it, you can see the remove account option. So simply tap on remove account and then enter your password, and you'll be able to remove account. So this way you can remove account in Gmail. Hope this helped you. Once you remove it from here, it'll be removed from your Gmail login page as well. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.